Eurofighter Typhoon is one of the most advanced multi-role fighter jets globally, developed by the UK, Germany, Italy, and Spain. It exemplifies European aerospace engineering and is crucial to NATO's aerial defense strategy. This twin-engine, delta-wing jet features canard foreplanes, granting it exceptional agility in air-to-air combat. It can reach speeds over Mach 2 and altitudes above 55,000 feet. While not fully stealth, it has a reduced radar cross-section and strong electronic warfare capabilities. The cockpit is highly digital, equipped with a head-up display, multifunction color displays, and voice command systems for enhanced pilot control. The Typhoon carries a variety of weapons, including AIM-120M ROMs and precision-guided bombs. Continuous upgrades through the Eurofighter Evolution program integrate AESA radar and advanced avionics, ensuring competitiveness with fifth-generation jets. With over 570 units in service, the Typhoon has proven its effectiveness in real-world operations across multiple regions.